Hello everyone! Welcome back to Top Lingo. Today's lesson is very special. You will learn 100 common English words that every beginner must know. I will show you pictures and say each word slowly so you can repeat. Let's begin. Part 1. People and Family. Number 1. Mother. Number 2. Father. Number 3. Brother. Number 4. Sister. Number 5. Baby. Number 6. Friend. Number 7. Teacher. Number 8. Student. Number 9. Man. Number 10. Woman. Number 11. Boy. Number 12. Girl. Number 13. Family. Number 14. Child. Number 15. People. Part 2. Food and drinks. Number 16. Where? Number 17. Coffee. Number 18. Tea. Number 19. Milk. Number 20. Bread. Number 21. Rice. Number 22. Egg. Number 23. Chicken. Number 24. Fish. Number 25. Fruit. Number 26. Apple. Number 27. Banana. Number 28. Orange. Number 29. Vegetables. Number 30. Soup. Part 3. Daily objects. Number 31. Phone. Number 32. Laptop. Number 33. Key. 34. Bag. 35. Chair. 36. Table. 37. Bed. 38. Door. 39. Window. 40. Pen. 41. Pencil. 42. Book. 43. Notebook. 44. Cup. 45. Spoon. 46. Plate. 47. Clock. 48. TV. 49. Car. 50. Bus. Part 4. Places. 51. Home. 52. School. 53. Office. 54. Store. 55. Market. 56. Bank. 57. Hospital. 58. Restaurant. 59. Cafe. 60. Street. 61. Park. 62. City. 63. Country. 64. Airport. 65. Station. 66. Hotel. 67. House. 68. room. 69, bathroom. 70, kitchen. Part 5, nature and weather. 71, sun. 72, moon. 73, star. 74, sky. 75, tree. 76, flower. 77, grass. 78, water. 79, rain. 80, snow. 81, wind. 82, cloud. 83, mountain. 84, river. And 85, beach. Part 6, useful beginner words. 86, time. 87, day. 88, night. 89, morning. 90, evening. 91, name. 92, number. 93, money. 94, work. 95, job. 96, help. 97, question. 98, answer. 99, problem. 100, idea. Quick practice. I will show you 5 pictures and you write their names in the comment. Great job! If you want a similar lesson, tell me in the comments. Please, as always, like, subscribe, and share. With love from my heart, Elena.